Good morning, student. Now in this lecture we are going to talk about network threats. What are the network threats or network risk? There are many risks and threats while using the internet or network we are facing today. So see about some risk or threats. First on First of all, see the network threats. While transmission of data over internet, it may possible that someone like hackers, third-party tools can steal your crucial information and that can be damaged or misused or corrupted and that can be very harmful for us or user. Now we are going to discuss about some popular network threats. That means when we are going to transfer data over the internet, there may be possible of hacking of data. That means your information can be steal or hacked and that can be damaged, misused or corrupted or deleted, and this is the network threats. Now we are going to discuss some popular threats. First one is your computer virus. That means then second one is your rock security software. Third one is your Trojan horse. Then worms, spyware and adware, phishing, farming, denial of service attack, and next one is your Eavesdropping, wiretapping, SQL injection, cyber trolls, cyber stalking or bullying, software piracy, etc. There are many and more threats are happening in these days with us, and we are not able to identify that risk. So first of all, we have to see the virus. First of all, we have to see the virus. That means vital information resource under siege. Vital information resource under siege. The computer virus is a malicious program that intends to harm or damage your information and may corrupt the software. This is your virus. There are many type of virus, and there are many other virus like stealth virus. You can see that if we are going to take the type of virus, then you can know stealth virus and many more virus. Now further we are going to discuss about that. That means virus. What is the virus? Virus is the malicious program. That means virus is also a program, application program, that means that intends to harm or damage your information or corrupt your software. Now here vital, that means important information resources, and a siege, that means to seize or stop the functioning or working. So I hope you have understand the virus. Now next one is our rogue security software. These are the fake security software. These are the fake security software. This type of security software display also that your computer system is on risk or infected to virus and force you to download fake and malicious software that contains the virus or harmful programs. Now see what happening in this software. This type of software continuously texting you, messaging you, or showing, displaying there is the virus in your system might be risk, your system might be corrupted, might be stop working, and you can download this software to remove the virus. And that security software are fake security software that also contain a virus or malicious program. When you are going to install that security software, you are not going to removing any virus, you have just installing the virus in your system. So keep aware from this type of message and error alerts. Use only genuine antivirus software like Norton, Quick Hill, ABG, etc. But don't be victim of these fraudulent links. So be aware. Now our next is Trojan horse. This is also a malicious program that is designed to corrupt the information or network. It looks like a beneficial program, but once it is installed, it starts to harm your computer system. Now, Trojan horse is the also a program. Firstly, in first go, it seems to be beneficial program. That means you cannot recognize that the software can infect your computer system. But when you have installed this Trojan horse, these softwares, these programs, they are starting to harm your computer system. Most important things like worms, Trojan horse cannot replicate itself. Replicate, that means making the duplicate copy of itself. Worms, worms are malicious program that can replicate itself. That means replicate, that means making duplicate copy, making duplicate copy of itself. मेकिंग कॉपी ऑफ इटसेल्फ. इट मे काज ऑफ स्टोरेज और डिस्क फेल्यूर. वो हम क्या करेंगे, इतने अपने आप को रिप्लिकेट करते करते आपका हार्ड डिस्क क्रैश कर देते हैं, पूरा स्टोरेज ऑक्यूपाई कर देते हैं. इन दिस केस द डिस्क फेल्यूर मे बी हैपन. ना और नेक्स्ट वन इज स्पाईवेयर एंड एडवेयर. स्पाईवेयर as it is clear from the name, spyware, that means such software which is used to spying on the user's computer system, that is used to steal information from your computer system. Adware are used to show unnecessary advertisement and contains the harmful links and malicious program. Some advertisement links contains also the harmful or malicious program. You have seen frequently like you have 1 2 crore 1 crore 20 lakh 30 lakh, please visit the link or click on this link and you will get your amount in your account. And this type of advertisement is totally fraud, and this also contains the harmful links, that is harmful program that can steal your information from your system. Now next one is your phishing. Phishing, that means here the attacker misguides or misleads the user to the fake or malicious link or site by using text message, email, voice message, calls, etc. On clicking there they can install malicious software or freeze your system, and it causes of identity theft, unauthorized purchasing, stealing funds, ransomware attacks, etc. See here what is happening in phishing. In phishing, the attackers misguide or mislead the user. They can send you text message or mails to click here to win some amount, or you can win the you have won this prize amount and click here, and otherwise any other attractive mail or links, and they can also call to you. You have seen the frequently case of someone is calling on any person and saying just I am speaking from the SBI and your account is going to block. If you want to continue with your account, and then please verify me with your OTP. I am sending an OTP of your mobile number on your mobile number, and now you can tell me that OTP, and I am after verifying I am going to verify that, and your account will be renewed. So this is the fake call, totally fake call. No bank can call you and ask for OTP. आपके पास बैंक कॉल करके OTP नहीं मांगता है. ये क्या करेंगे, कहेंगे कि OTP हमको बता दीजिए. वो क्या करते हैं, पहले से ही आपके सिस्टम में अपने स्पाईवेयर या अपने सॉफ्टवेयर या किसी लिंक पर क्लिक किए होंगे, आपका इन्फॉर्मेशन एक कलेक्ट किए रहते हैं और आपको OTP भेजते हैं. जैसे आप वेरीफाई करते हैं, पता चलता है कि आपके अकाउंट से पैसा स्टील हो गया, चोरी हो गया, या परचेजिंग हो गई आपके कार्ड से इतने का. दिस टाइप ऑफ अटैक इज कॉल्ड फिशिंग. रैंसमवेयर अटैक, इसका मतलब होता है यू कैन से दैट कि stealing your some sensitive information, or they are going to block your system, any services or any information of your system that can, without that you cannot work efficiently. And to renew the access of that file or that information, they will demand to pay to you. That means they will send the link and you have to pay on their account. This type of अटैक कॉल्ड रैंसमवेयर दैट मीन्स कि फिरौती टाइप का मांगना. दैट मीन्स कुछ उसको ज़बरदस्ती फोर्सफुली अमाउंट पे करवाना. फिरौती टाइप से आप समझ सकते हैं रैंसमवेयर अटैक है. सो दिस इज योर फिशिंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर फार्मिंग. व्हाट इज फार्मिंग? Farming is the fraudulent practice of redirecting the users to a fake website that mimics or pretend the appearance of legitimate one, with the goal of stealing personal information such as password, account numbers, and other personal information. Phishing and farming are mostly similar, but here in farming, suppose that if you are going to visit sbi.com, then they redirect your request to the fake website. They will open another sbi.com. It's look like your genuine software, original website, but this is your fake website. When you are going to any transaction, done any transaction or enter any data, they can steal your data and misuse that personal data like password, like your account numbers, etc. Now this is your farming. Next is your denial of service attack. DOS, that means denial of service attack. Here in this type of attack, the hackers are stop the services of targeted website or web services. Mostly it happens when any product sale is going to be online. They flooded the network by sending false data packets, and thus when network is overloaded, it will be crash or stop working. डिनाइल ऑफ सर्विसेज में क्या कर रहे हैं कि सपोज दैट फ्लिपकार्ट और अमेजोन पे कोई सेल आने वाली है किसी प्रोडक्ट का 12 noon, and all the users who want to purchase the product are waiting for that time, that in this time the link will be open to buy the product. But the third party hackers are intruders are going to flood the network by sending false data packet. इनको परचेज नहीं करना है, ये जस्ट क्या करें, सेंड कर रहे, रिक्वेस्ट सेंड कर रहे हैं कि एक्सेस करते करते इतने डेटा पैकेट भेजेंगे कि इनकी सर्वर क्या हो जाएगा, स्टॉप हो जाएगा. जब सर्वर स्टॉप हो जाएगा दैट मीन्स की वेबसाइट विल बी क्रैश्ड एंड नो फंक्शनिंग विल हैपन. दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉल डिनाइल ऑफ सर्विसेज. डिनाइल दैट मीन्स कि स्टॉप कर देना, उसको निगलेक्ट कर देना. नाउ और नेक्स्ट अटैक इज ईवेसड्रॉपिंग or sniffing or snooping. Both are the same similar terms. In this type of attack, your intruder is keep watching the transmission of data or message on network and can steal the and misuse of your information. Suppose that this is the person A, this is person B. They are keep communicating with each other, but here is the user C. This is your intruder. This is your intruder. He keep watching on this link. ये लिंक पे क्या क्या मैसेज जा रहे हैं ये वॉच कर रहा है. जहाँ इसको काम का इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐसा लगा कि कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन काम का है, ये चुरा लेगा और उसका मिसयूज करेगा. सपोज दैट आप लॉगिन कर रहे हैं फेसबुक पे, यहाँ पे आप क्लाइंट हैं, यहाँ पे आपका फेसबुक है, आप लॉगिन कर रहे हैं, ये वॉच कर रहा है आपका लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड. जैसे ही इसको मिल जाएगा लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड, ये गेट करेगा, एक्सेस करेगा, आपका अकाउंट हैक हो जाएगा. दिस टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियर इज कॉल्ड ईवेसड्रॉपिंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर वायर टैपिंग. वायर टैपिंग इन्वॉल्व्स द यूज ऑफ कोवर्ट मीन्स टू इंटरसेप्ट, मॉनिटर एंड रिकॉर्ड कम्युनिकेशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल. सेम suppose that if here user A, this is user B, and if this is they are communicating to each other, then keep watching silently. covert मतलब इनडायरेक्टली, साइलेंटली. ये यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, पूरे की पूरी कम्युनिकेशन को हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं कि कौन क्या बात कर रहा है. और इन सम केसेस ऐसा भी होता है कि एक पूरी की पूरी चैनल जो बी को जा रही है उसको डाइवर्ट करके सी पे ले आया जाता है. दैट मीन्स अब ये सारा मैसेज बी को न जाके सी पे जा रहा है, जबकि ए को क्या पता है, ए सिम्स टू बी द देयर मैसेज, हिज मैसेज इज डिलीवर्ड टू बी, बट in reality the message is going to C. This is called wiretapping. Now next one is SQL injection. SQL injection, these attacks are intended to steal or corrupt or dump the data or database of any organization using MySQL database. If any organization uses the SQL based database, then SQL injection include malicious SQL statement that harm the information system. ये क्या करेंगे, अगर आप SQL database यूज कर रहे हैं, ये कुछ malicious statement इंसर्ट करते हैं आपके डेटाबेस में और उसको एग्जीक्यूट कराते हैं, जिससे कि आपका डेटा करप्ट हो जाएगा, डेटा अच्छे से, डेटा की इंटीग्रिटी ख़त्म हो जाएगी, वो पता चला कि कुछ और रिजल्ट दे रहा है, कुछ और होना चाहिए, या अदरवाइज दे कैन करप्ट और डंप योर डेटाबेस. दिस टाइप ऑफ अटैक इज नोन एज SQL इंजेक्शन. SQL लिखा होता है, पढ़ते इसको SQL है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज योर साइबर ट्रोल्स. दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन threats on your network. You have also seen or faced this type of behavior. This is the cyber trolls is the behavior of insulting the person using internet. That means internet cyber trolling is a behavior where the troll intends to infame, upset or otherwise damage civil discourse, insult. It intends toward disrupting the online or public communication of others. Suppose that किसी को यूजिंग सोशल नेटवर्किंग, आप सोशल नेटवर्किंग से किसी को डिफेम कर दे रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स उसके इंटीग्रिटी को, उसके इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं, उसको डिस्कोर्स कर रहे हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियर इज कॉल्ड साइबर ट्रोल्स, ट्रोलिंग बोलते हैं इसको. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज आर सॉफ्टवेयर पायरेसी. सॉफ्टवेयर पायरेसी मीन्स इलीगल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ कॉपी ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर. दैट मीन्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने विंडोज़ बनाया, उसका लाइसेंस है, जेन्युइन कोड है, की है, की के बाद सीरियल की होता है ना, की के बाद आप उसको एक्टिवेट कर पाते हैं. हैकर्स क्या करते हैं, इसको ब्रेक करते हैं, इनका डुप्लीकेट की बनाते हैं और मार्केट में सस्ते दाम पे बेच देते हैं. एंड दैट वाज कॉल्ड पायरेटेड सॉफ्टवेयर. इट मे बी अवेलेबल एट लो कॉस्ट बट इट मे इंक्लूड सम मैलिशियस प्रोग्राम लाइक स्पाईवेयर और अदर्स. और ये आसानी से आप में वायरस स्पाईवेयर इंस्टॉल कर देते हैं जो दैट कीप वॉचिंग आउट, ट्रैक द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. आपके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट डेटा ये हैकर्स को भेजते रहते हैं, सेंड करते रहते हैं. सो द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और कंप्यूटर सिस्टम which are running on some pirated software that can be very easily hacked. So it is not recommended to use pirated software. Don't use pirated software, only use the genuine software. And one point is our cyberbullying or stalking. Here the someone collects the information like emails, photograph or any sensitive information by use of internet or spying ones to harass or threats or blackmail individuals. साइबर बुलिंग और स्टॉकिंग में क्या होता है कि आपके इंपॉर्टेंट डेटा है लाइक ईमेल्स, अकाउंट नंबर, अकाउंट डिटेल्स, फोटोग्राफ्स और एनी अदर सेंसिटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं, बाद में आपको थ्रेट्स करते हैं, ब्लैकमेल करते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क threats is called cyberbullying or stalking. So this is all about network threats, and our next topic will be security to the network. Our next topic will be security on network. Next is security on network. So thank you for watching today.